What's up, guys? So I am heading off to the park to have a bash with Lennart. He's helped me out quite a lot with the Rolalo Speed Challenge. He's made me quite a few 3D printed parts and stuff now, so I thought I'd better take him something. It's only a little 1/18 scale Kyamrc monster truck, but I think he'll enjoy it. He likes the little 1/18 scale cars. So I'm almost there, guys. I'll be back very soon. How you going? Got a couple of little cars, yeah. Nice. Cheers.
That seems fair. Oh yeah, that was from one of the videos.
Yeah. And thank you very much for helping me out with the Rolalo Speed Challenge and 3D printing me parts and stuff. I know you like your little bouncy cars. I got one in my bag as well, so we can test them both out today.
You really didn't have to get me that.
That's all right. There's mine.
Oh, that's cute. Thank you so much.
That's all right. Already charged up. Just got to plug it in. There's batteries in the controller.
Oh my god.
Another one to add to your collection.
Yep.
So there it is, guys. The Kyamrc 1/18 scale power 4-wheel drive monster truck. The suspension, they're not oil filled, but that's the whole reason I thought of Lennart. He loves these little bouncy cars. Now guys, I didn't want to do a full review on this car because it is quite old now. I'm sure there's a lot of videos on this car, unboxings and reviews and everything, so I thought we'd just bring them out and have a bit of a bash today. And as I said, I did bring my EC30 as well, and obviously Lennart's got his Creighton, so we'll have a lot of fun with the bigger cars. Well, mine's not so big, but it is absolutely crazy for what it is. So yeah, we'll have a lot of fun with them cars. Guys, I just realized they've actually got 3-wire servos, not the 5-wire servos. If you want to swap it over to a brushless system, or you know, just put a standalone receiver and a brushed ESC in there, you can do that quite easily without having to swap over the servo as well. Not super fast, but a bit of fun.
It doesn't have to be fast.
No.
Everybody.
Oh, nice. Nice.
These are the exact same things, so now it's kind of more
Very even, yeah.
even, so who has the better driving skill?
Yeah, exactly. Alright guys, we're going to attempt a little race. I got the one with the little yellow spray on it, so yeah, it's a little bit easy to...
And then the jump.
Yeah, may as well just go all the way around the little island here, over the jump and back around. What do you want? 3 laps? See who wins after 3 laps?
3 laps.
Alright. Alright, ready, set, go! Hopefully they're pretty durable. That's alright. Oh, these are extremely even. Yeah, that's the best thing about these. They're almost identical speeds. Nice. A little bit hard steering because they're bouncy. Oh no! Technically you would have won then because I ran into myself. We started there. Yeah. Yeah, line. We know exactly. All right, guys, we'll do one 3-lap race going the other way, and yeah, hopefully I can win one. All right, guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I missed the jump. Got to go over the jump. Oh, a little wheelie then. Oh, kickflip, woo! Nice!
It's funny to like do kind of a Mario Kart, like stick little video receivers on top and do like a Mario Kart.
Like FPV?
Yeah, FPV.
Come on, fast one! Full throttle! Mine's slowing down already. Lettuce has definitely got more top end speed. Kickflip!
crash.
Yep, my battery's dead. Definitely didn't last long, but we'll try with lithium polymer next time, guys. Put the LiPo in there. Possibly running this on a 3-cell once we change the battery plugs as well. So yeah, that'll be interesting. Yeah, these are lithium ion. Now guys, I'll get the e-shin out. I am running all on 3S today. Lennart's going to get his Kraton out and have a bit of fun with that. I think we might have a little bit more of a problem than just a center drive shaft. You gotta try and catch it. Well, considering what I put this car through, it's done exceptionally well. Oh no, I might have done the bearing in the front differential. Yeah guys, I quite possibly have done one of the bearings. Still wants to punch through that grass though, so yeah. It's all over the place. Nice. A little e-shin against the Kraton. Way! Nice. Doesn't sound nice. Oh no. Alright guys, I'm not sure whether it's a good idea, but Lennart's going to give me a go of his Kraton. I will take it easy, I won't go too hard on it. Wow, your steering's crazy actually.
As in a good way?
Like really touchy. It just feels weird for me. It's a good servo, obviously.
I enjoy touching. Well,
Beautiful little backflips. You're gonna try and jump over your bag. Oh, you want to land on top of your bag. Jump over your new car. Nice. Oh, that was huge. You nutter.
I wasn't expecting it to go that far.
What? You got the controller. Your tyres hit perfect. Right on the big spot.
That was scary but fun.
Yeah. Nice. I know. Yeah, she's all good.
It was in the box.
Put it in your mouth.